Nissan Juke remote control key for the unlocking and starting of the car. This is the keyless system that you just stick in your pocket or you leave it in your handbag, and you've got the stop start button for starting the car. Stop working. You come up to the car, the doors don't unlock, the remote doesn't do anything. You can pop the emergency key out, pop the cap off the driver's door and get into the car, but sitting there pressing the button and it won't start. To start the vehicle, once the remote has failed, usually it's just the battery goes flat inside the remote. You hold the key fob next to the start button on the left hand side of the steering wheel, get it really close, and then you can press the start button and the vehicle will start. We're going to take this one apart and check the battery. So to start with, we've got to just flip the little release on the back to get the key out. That's the first step. Once we've got that out, you can pop a screwdriver into the end of the slot, and there's a little tab there. You could just get your screwdriver in and flick it, and it starts to come apart. Now these are quite stiff. They're quite a tricky one to get apart. But once you've started, you can work that screwdriver around the edge, just easing it slowly as we go. Just slowly, just easing it along, and eventually it will pop open. There we go. That's revealing the battery. It's a CR2025 battery. We can just pop that out with a screwdriver. Once we've got this out, you need to make sure that the contacts in that casing are nice and tight, and they're squashing the battery nice and tight in its holder. We'll get the new one, pop it in, and if you're happy with those contacts, just pop the case back together again. Snap it into place. It needs a good squeeze to get it back together. Nearly there. Line it up, pop it back in, and it'll go with a click. Ooh, come on, let's get that back together. There we go. Pop that key back in the top. And job's a good one. Happy with that? Fantastic. Quite stiff to get apart, but little screwdriver and we're away. These batteries, when they go below 2.8 volts, they don't work. The remotes fail. A brand new one of these little 3-volt batteries, you get about 3.5 volts in one of these batteries. That's fully charged. As soon as they go below 3 volts, things start to go wrong, and then when they deteriorate even more, they fail completely. The battery in this one was 2.8 volts, and it was creating all this problem, and that keyless system had stopped working. Replace the battery, everything's great. If that's been of any use to you, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.